What if I told you there's a brand new AI tool that can help complete beginners build an online business without coding, without expensive software, and without hiring designers? People are already using Claude Design to create websites, landing pages, digital products, client work, and even entire businesses. In today's video, I'll show you how beginners can use Claude Design to build a realistic path toward earning up to $9,999 per month. This isn't a promise that you'll make that amount overnight. It's a roadmap based on services and products people are already selling. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering Claude Design, one of the newest AI tools that's making it much easier to create professional-looking designs and web experiences. Here are 7 beginner-friendly ways to monetize it. Method 1. Build landing pages for small businesses. Small businesses need landing pages for restaurants, dentists, gyms, realtors, coaches, local stores. Using Claude Design, you can quickly create clean landing page layouts and customize them for each client. Charge: beginner, $100, $300. Intermediate, $500 plus. Premium, $1,000 plus. Just 10 clients at $1,000 each equals $10,000. Method 2. Sell website templates. Thousands of creators want beautiful websites but don't know how to design them. Create templates for agencies, coaches, portfolios, freelancers, SaaS startups, AI businesses. Sell them repeatedly on marketplaces. One template can sell hundreds of times. That's passive income. Method 3. Design digital products. Create planners, journals, checklists, business kits, resume templates, social media templates, ebooks. Sell them online. Digital products don't require inventory or shipping. Create once, sell forever. Method 4. Offer freelance design services. Thousands of businesses need website redesigns, landing pages, UI mockups, product pages, marketing graphics. Use Claude Design to speed up your workflow. Offer your services on freelance platforms or directly to businesses. Even charging $200 per project can add up quickly. Method 5. Build AI micro SaaS websites. One growing trend is creating simple AI tools with polished landing pages. Examples: resume builders, AI writing tools, image generators, productivity apps. Claude Design helps you create the user interface much faster. Many micro SaaS founders earn recurring monthly subscriptions. Method 6. Sell branding packages. Businesses need logos, color palettes, typography, website designs, landing pages, marketing assets. Bundle everything into one package. Charge between $500 and $2,000 depending on the project. Method 7. Start your own AI agency. Instead of doing everything yourself forever, create systems. Use Claude Design to produce work faster. Step 7. Why most people fail. Most people quit because they never publish. Keep waiting for perfection. Don't learn basic marketing. Expect instant success. Give up after a few days. AI can speed up your work, but it doesn't replace learning or taking action. My Claude AI workflow. Every day I use Claude. White heavy checkmark research. White heavy checkmark brainstorm ideas. White heavy checkmark write outlines. White heavy checkmark draft scripts. White heavy checkmark improve emails. White heavy checkmark create product content. Then I review, edit, fact check, and add my own knowledge before publishing. That's the real workflow. How beginners can start. If you're completely new, here's a simple plan. Day 1. Pick one niche. Day 2, use Claude to outline a digital product. Day 3, design it. Day 4, create a sales page. Day 5, publish content on YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, or Facebook. Then keep improving based on feedback. Claude AI isn't a money button. It's a productivity tool that can dramatically reduce the time it takes to create content, products, and marketing materials. If you combine it with consistent effort, useful products, and smart promotion, you can build an online business over time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and online business content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.